The new year offers us a fresh start and a fresh perspective on life, but more importantly, new tech. Technology has defined the 21st century. Being the poster boy for this era, each year tons of new and cool tech is getting launched, and this year is no different, with loads of gadgets. Some will blow your mind, while others will make you scratch your heads. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to see about all the new and exciting techs that are coming in 2022, which will explode the minds of techies worldwide. But before we get into the video, give us a like and subscribe if you want to be the first to receive updates when we come out with a new video. So let's get started. Number 1. 360-degree smart bed. Who doesn't love a good night's sleep? Sleep Number is renowned for its innovative mattresses, and the 360-degree smart bed is the latest product of this company. The latest smart bed integrates sensors and technologies to respond to the need of the individual. It can vary the heating or cooling on each side of the bed, sense snoring, and adjust the head of the bed as needed. The bed can be tilted to maintain proper spinal alignment for the sleeper. Now, how cool is that? In future updates, it can also monitor the health conditions of the individual. Hope it can give the sensation of hugging when we feel lonely. Number 2. Oppo Air Glass. Oppo Air Glass is an assisted reality device that is being launched by smartphone giants Oppo. The glass projects 2D information into the user's field of view instead of 3D projection done by the augmented reality devices. The glass is light in weight and has a battery life of up to 3 hours upon active usage and 40 hours on standby. The glasses use a tiny projector with micro LED tech, and they can be operated via voice, touch, hand tracking, and head tracking. Talk about coming straight out of a sci-fi movie. Oppo is also planning to launch a separate app for the glasses, Smart Glass app, which runs on Oppo's ColorOS 11 software. The glasses can be used for receiving notifications and directions, as well as for features such as teleprompting and real-time translation. The initial release is only for China and then worldwide. Number 3. Hunt 4.0. This one is for adventure lovers. Hunt 4.0 is a flashlight, rechargeable lighter, and a multifunctional pry bar put into one solid titanium unit. The flashlight is lightweight but powerful and is IPX7 water resistant. It has a battery life of 7 hours on low brightness and works well in extreme conditions. It is a must-have for camping trips. Number 4. Gamma Jacket. Imagine if someone attached a heater inside a jacket to keep you warm. How cool would that be? Well, the makers of Gamma Jacket did just that. Gamma Jacket is a graphene-infused jacket that expels heat under hot conditions and distributes heat across the jacket under cold conditions through the pores present in it. It can be withstanding wear and tear, which makes it suitable for extreme conditions without compromising comfort, as the jacket is light in weight. The customizable heater is powered by a power bank and has a 10-pocket system to keep your belongings safe. Number 5. The Freestyle. With the ongoing pandemic, we are restricted to our homes most of the time, which means we can't watch our favorite movies in theaters. But what if the whole cinematic experience is brought to the comforts of our home? Samsung just did that with their new product. The Freestyle is a projector, lights, and sound system all incorporated into one device. The device is portable and lightweight. It provides a full cinematic experience in our homes. But its uses don't stop there. Want to tell bedtime stories to your kids in an extravagant way or host a disco party in your home? The Freestyle has got you covered. Number 6. Rocketbook Smart Reusable Notebook. With global warming and climate change becoming the major issues in recent years, becoming eco-friendly is something all of us must try to do. And for the eco-conscious note-taker, Rocketbook has come up with a smart eco-friendly product. This smart notebook consists of pages that can be wiped clean by just a damp piece of cloth and reused. It uses special space-aged paper so that you get the feel of writing on a traditional notebook. It is also compatible with a Rocketbook app where you can scan your notes and save them in a cloud of your choice so that you'll never lose your data. Number 7. FLEXOUND Pulse. Watching movies in 3D? Nah, it's boring. How about adding a fourth dimension into your movie watching experience? The FLEXOUND Pulse will give a whole new meaning to your cinema experience. The Pulse uses speakers built into the chair to produce sounds which the user can feel. In addition to that, you can experience it on your skin. Talk about hair-raising stuff. The makers are planning to license the product to manufacture car seats, giving each individual passenger their custom driving experience. Number 8. TrinoXO Tee. A shirt that doesn't stink? And it is made out of recycled crabs? Does it get weirder than this? Well, the makers of Allbirds didn't think so. This is an odor-free t-shirt. It's made up of chitosan and material obtained from the exoskeleton of shellfish. It is one of the most abundant ingredients on the planet, so the makers thought of making a clothing line out of it. Smart. The material makes it harder for bacteria to colonize, and thus makes the t-shirt last odor-free for a longer time, which means less frequent washes. Number 9. PS5 VR controller. Oh boy, the gamers are gonna love this. Sony is planning to release virtual reality consoles for a more realistic experience for users. The console will translate hand movements into the virtual world. It also involves finger touch detection that will enable you to pick up objects and manipulate them in the virtual world. FYI, just objects, not characters. Number 10. Xiaomi Mi Air Charge. Forget chargers and charging pads. What if you can charge your mobile by just walking into the room? Wouldn't it make life a lot easier? Xiaomi's Mi Air Charge serves that purpose. It uses 144 micro antennae to transfer energy to your phone directly through a narrow beam, irrespective of the objects present in the room. The device can charge multiple devices at once, so no more quarrels for the charging socket. Number 11. Colorsonic by L'Oreal. Let's be honest, hair coloring has always been a headache for women, but L'Oreal might just have made it a tad bit easier. The Colorsonic is a hair coloring gadget in which the bottom half is where a cartridge consisting of a mix of developer and formula is inserted. The top half consists of bristles that evenly spread the hair color across the hair. This makes it easy to color your hair at home, saving from the immense cost of coloring in parlors. Number 12. Apple Watch Series 6. Did you really think we'll make a new tech video without including an Apple product? Come on! Apple is no longer a brand, it has become a way of life for its users. The attention to detail Apple puts into its products is astounding. The Apple Watch 6 is not just a smartwatch, it's a device that will help you lead a healthier life. The device consists of sensors that monitor your heart rate, keep track of your sleep logs, and if it senses any irregularities. If the watch senses a drastic change in your body, such as a huge dip in pulse, it sends an SOS. Apple really cares about us. With this, we have reached the end of the video. If you liked the video, be sure to subscribe, like, and share our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button for early updates.